Hi all, welcome to Anjus universe. Today I am going to make Kadi Pakodi. So let me show you the ingredients we need for this Kadi Pakodi. This is yogurt, curd. This is some chickpea flour, besan. This is salt that we'll put according to taste. This is coriander leaves chopped. This is green chilies chopped. This for tempering for that curry. This is mustard seeds or rye. This is curry leaves. This is green chilies. I have slit it into half. This is asafoetida, hing, and these are the spices we need for that pakodis. This turmeric we'll put in this yogurt while we mix. I'll show you through later. This is hing for the pakodi. This is caraway or carom seeds. This is cumin powder and this is red chili powder. So let's get started. We'll first mix this yogurt. I'll put yogurt in a bowl and then I'll mix. So I'm going to take a bowl here. I'll put this yogurt into it. And we'll add later on some water into it because it will become very thick. So we'll put water later. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder into it. Around 4, this is very small spoon, so I'll take around 4 to 5 spoons of this chickpea flour. That will be more than enough. Now I'm going to whisk it. We have to whisk it nicely, smooth. Otherwise that lumps will be, when we boil this one, the lumps it will form with that chickpea flour powder and it won't be tasting good at all. So we have to whisk it nicely. It should be a smooth batter. Whisk it. Now I will add some water into it. And I will filter it because in that yogurt some milk, when we boil that cream will be there, so it will be forming lumps into it, so we'll filter it. This is ready. We'll filter it and we'll keep it aside. Put oil in a pan to heat and then I'll mix the dough for the pakodis. So I'm going to put chickpea flour into this bowl. And we'll put all the spices: hing, asafoetida, caraway seed, cumin powder and chili powder. Now we'll put this also, this coriander leaves chopped and this green chili chopped. We'll add salt according to taste. Now we'll add a water. Don't add too much water at it. We'll add little bit at a time. should be like this. We have to mix well so it will be fluffy pakodis, otherwise it will be like very dense. Now we'll put one by one in oil. Here is our pakodis going on. I have put another pan and here I will do the curry. So I have put oil in a pan, around 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I will add the spices. This is the mustard seed or rye. We'll leave for crackling some. When it starts crackling, till then we'll wait. And in between we'll check the pakodis too. Now it started crackling. Now I'll add this. You have to be careful, it will splatter all over you. Done. We'll add that mixture of that curd yogurt. And we have to keep stirring it, otherwise it will get splitted. Until it's coming to boil, we have to keep on stirring it. Now our pakodis are ready. We'll take these pakodis out. It started boiling now. We'll add the pakodas. I've taken these pakodas in tissue paper. Now I will add these pakodas. At this stage, we'll add salt. Salt according to taste. We'll stir it for 5 minutes and then we'll switch off the gas. Now we'll switch off the gas and leave it for 5 minutes so that all that gravy will absorb into that pakodis and it is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.